Hi guys, welcome back to another video. There's this thing that's been going on lately about a setting in your YouTube studio. There's one particular setting in your YouTube studio that has been causing a lot of controversial, that has been causing a lot of issue, and I want to address this issue today. Yes, I want to address this issue today. Now, they said if you turn on this setting, it's going to allow you get views. It's going to send this your videos to your subscriber feed. I know many of you know this setting, and some say you should turn it off and all that wrong and wrong notion about turning it off or turning it on. So many everybody has their own opinion about this. Now I'm going to break this down into two parts. I'm going to break that setting down into two parts. YouTube puts that setting there for a reason. There's every setting in your YouTube studio are there for a reason. They are there because YouTube wants you to choose how you want your audience to see your videos. They want you because the public is there, the private is there, the unlisted is there for a reason. They want you to choose how you want your audience to see your video. Now, this setting is there for two reasons. The first reason is for those that don't have subscribers yet and are just starting out YouTube. If you are just starting out, it means that you have zero subscribers, abi. So if you put up a video, maybe one or two person, your family member, your friend, five people have already subscribed, which you already told them to subscribe, that is fine. And you put up a video, it is only maybe two of these people that are going to watch that video, and that video is going to have just two views at the end of the day. If you notice that, and I'm sure everybody notices it, so you need to turn off this setting, this particular setting. You need to turn it off so that YouTube can push your video to other people, because it's a new channel. There is no subscribers to send these things to, so you need to turn it off. Now, the second people that needs to turn this setting off, yes, the second person, because I said I will break it down into two parts, into two category of people. The second people that need to turn this setting off are people that bought subscribers and did sub for sub, like sub me, I sub you. Those people don't watch your videos. Or maybe you uploaded short video or long form videos before, and it was not in that niche that you are doing now. The videos you uploaded before are not the same with what you are doing now. Maybe you uploaded video of octopus swimming in the sea and all that, and a man frying fish and all that. Those people that subscribe to that channel will not watch your content. Me and you know that. So you need to turn this setting off so that YouTube can send this video to those that are not your subscribers, and those that it will send it to public feed. Then it will select your audience, and those audience will watch your videos. Now, the third thing I want to say now is that why you should leave it on. These channels that the people that these two set of people that are supposed to leave it on, in fact, it's not even two. The only people that are supposed to leave this thing on are people that grew their channel organically. I'm going to explain it. Maybe what you've been posting on your shorts is what you are still going to post on your long form videos, and you use those shorts, the shorts you created over time, use them to gain subscribers. Yes, maybe you are doing vlog, you are doing lifestyle, you are doing entertainment, and you know that on the long run, at a point in time, you are going to post a long form video on that same niche. No problem, just leave it on like that. Just, in fact, it's on already, just continue, don't turn it off, because those people that subscribe from your short will eventually watch your long form video, even if 100% of them don't, but 50 will watch. Yes. Then the second set of people that are supposed to leave this thing turned on are people that grow their channel organically with long form videos. Maybe you've been posting long, you've been posting short, and you started with that same niche. It's even the same thing I'm saying. You started the channel with the niche that you want to do from beginning to now that you have 2,000 subscribers. Please don't turn this setting off. Or you are a growing channel and you are saying that, okay, in a day, maybe you're already in 400 like me now. You're already in 400, 500, and you are growing. You are seeing growth. Maybe in a week, you are seeing 100 subscriber, 550 subscriber. Subscriber is entering. At least in a day, you are having subscribers. Please. And they are following you because of that thing you are doing. That particular niche you are doing. They are following you because of it. Please leave this setting on. Leave it. on, don't turn it off. Now I'm going to be showing you the setting. Now you're going to go to your YouTube studio. So now when you click on the video, make sure that your video is uploading. It's not highlighting, it's not going to highlight here because I have uploaded this video. So this is just an example. So it's going to show allow embedding and public to subscriber feed and allow subscribers to watch your video. So you're going to see there. Let me zoom it out so you see, you can see it. That is the setting there, right there, that particular one. So mhm. And if you know that you are in this first two category I mentioned, go and turn this setting off. Go and turn it off so that you can have views, because you want views. You want to have views and you cannot leave that channel. You already have 1,000, you already have 2,000 subscribers and you're not watching your video. If you post a video, you're having 5 views, you're having 10 views. It is not a good sign. It's a sign that those your subscribers are bots. I think they say they buy subscribers. How do they do that? Those your subscribers are bots. Either they are bots, you have bought them, or you have acquired them through other type of niche that you have posted on your channel before. Please go and turn this thing on. Go to your YouTube studio. This is I'm going to put it here. Or in fact, I'm going to make a voiceover of it. We are going to go to YouTube studio together and turn it off. Please, if you're in this category, please turn it off. And if you're in the latter category, the one I mentioned, the second one I mentioned, like that is growing our channel organically, please leave it on. Don't turn it off. Yes, that's because it's becoming a controversy now. Turn it off, turn it on. If you are not getting views, go and turn it off. Please, if you are not getting views and you are a growing channel and you know that your niche, it is what you've been doing from the beginning, don't go and turn it off. Oh. Then your subscribers will not watch your video. Why? You are growing. Your subscribers know you go and turn it off that you want them. No, don't turn it off. Oh. If you know that you are growing and your channel is growing, please leave this setting turned on. Yes, leave this setting turned on. As I've showed you before, I've showed you where this setting is, and everybody knows this setting. When you are uploading your video, you are going to click on this setting. Make sure that it's turned on. But if you know that you are struggling with views, and you know the way, you and I know the way that you got your subscribers, please go and turn it off for a while. So that when you have start having views, leave it turned off like that, because except you know that your subscribers have already come through that you're going viral and all that. Maybe your video has gone viral and everything. You have accumulated more subscribers to those other ones. Then you can now turn on this setting. Your subscribers need to know that. Those your new subscriber need to know they've uploaded a new video. I hope this is helpful. I hope this is helpful. I hope this is more explanatory enough. I hope this is helpful. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. In fact, give this video a thumbs up because I've given you a tip. So give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you, and I'll see you in my next one.